Hello and welcome to this video in which we're gonna talk about the 7 most effective passive income strategies for long-term wealth. Explore the following passive income strategies, whether you're a service provider wishing to cease selling dollars for hours or a product company looking to add revenue source that doesn't entail the complexities of shipping actual products. But before started, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to miss any new video. 1. Open a dropshipping business. Even if you don't have a lot of cash flow, dropshipping is one of the finest places to begin earning money from wherever you are. Some dropshippers claim to earn more than $100,000 per year. Dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme, although it does require some initial time investment. 2. Launch a print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand can be a viable passive income idea and a way to commercialize your creative if you're an artist, designer, or business. Working with suppliers to customize white-label products such as t-shirts, posters, backpacks, and books and selling them on a per-order basis is what it entails. 3. Offer digital items for sale. Consumers cannot physically touch digital products, which are assets or bits of media. Kindle novels, templates, plugins, and PDFs are examples of these downloadable or streamable files. Because of their huge profit margins, digital products become excellent passive income sources. You only need to create the asset once, and you may sell it on the internet again and again. No inventory or storage is required. 4. Create and teach online courses. Educators can now sell courses online more easily than ever before. Whether it's marketing, illustration, or entrepreneurship, there's something for everyone. With little restrictions, you can design courses and begin selling them. You can offer online courses repeatedly, much like digital products, without having to keep any inventory or stock. Online teaching necessitates an initial time commitment. You'll need to plan out your course, record it, and provide students with downloadable assets such as templates. 5. Start your own blog. Although starting a blog might be difficult, the blogging business model is becoming increasingly popular as a source of passive income. To make money online, you no longer need to be an internet celebrity. Simply locate your audience on 1 or 2 sites, then direct them to your website. Blogging could provide you with a source of passive income if you do the following. When it comes to selling affiliate items, developing sponsored content, you can make money by selling your own products. Using Google AdSense to run adverts. 6. Offer handcrafted items for sale. It's never been a better moment to sell things on the internet. With over 4.6 billion people online, the potential for growing and scaling an online business is enormous. There are hundreds of online marketplaces where you can sell your items. Some specialize in certain areas, such as video games or handcrafted items, while others allow you to sell everything you choose. Your own online store, Handshake, Amazon, eBay, Ruby Lane, and AliExpress are some of the most prominent online selling sites. The initial investment is split into 2 halves. To manufacture and sell DIY things like pottery or apparel, you'll need to spend in materials and time. You'll also need to set up an internet store to sell your goods. 7. Start an affiliate marketing business. The act of suggesting a product or service to a target demographic is known as affiliate marketing. Because you get a commission every time someone uses your referral link to purchase the suggested goods or service, it's a terrific way of earning money. It's also a rapidly expanding industry. The affiliate marketing sector is expected to grow to $8.2 billion by 2022, according to Statista. There are several reasons why online entrepreneurs become affiliate marketers. It's simple to put into action. You're just in charge of the marketing. Products will be developed and orders will be fulfilled by the brand. It's a low-risk situation. Joining an affiliate program is completely free. You can sell existing earnings without having to invest any money up front. It can be scaled up or down. Typically, affiliate marketers do not employ additional staff. While your previous work earns money in the background, you can present new products to an audience and build campaigns.